Hi everyone, I'm Teoh Yuan Fern with the student ID 10015400059. And today I would like to present my structure, which is Great Mangrove, which has the great name Rhizophora mango in the family of Rhizophoria. And this is a tree of red mangrove. You can see that it has branches come up from the main trunk, and aerial prop roots come up from here, which the prop roots has a few parts that's called pneumatophores, which is air roots that exchange air, nutritive roots that take in nutrition, the supportive roots which support cable roots to grab the soil, and the roots provide a shelter for aquatic animal and hatching, and like give them a shelter from predators. And then here is the special feature, which is advantage and disadvantage of this kind of roots, which is the advantage of it can stand hurricane, strong wind, and strong wave actually. And other than that, it can endure high saline surrounding, which is like seawater, which other trees cannot do. And the disadvantage of this kind of roots is that it needs a large surface area to grab on, so it can withstand all these loads. Other than this kind of loads, it also endured the loads itself, which came from its own branches and leaf. And here is the structure of the leaf and seeds. The leaf is dicotyledon leaf with oblong scholate, and the arrangement of the leaves is called palmate, which is centralization, organization, and the fruits and seeds. And this is the structure of the trunk, which is the center is called pitch, and followed by hardwood, sapwood, the phloem that transfer nutrient, and cork cambium that separate the cork from phloem, and the other small part called cork. And this is the structure of the root, which the center is called xylem that transfer water from the roots to the leaf, and cambium that separate the phloem, and xylem and phloem that transfer nutrients from the leaf to the roots, and pericycle that separates cortex parenchyma, and followed by cortex parenchyma and the most outer part called epidermis of the roots, and it has a few small air roots outside, like roots hair, like they call it roots hair. And for this tree, it has a quite special place, which is since it provides shelter for the smallest fish. It also has its own mangrove food chain, which the leaf fell into the water and onto the ground that became composite and then eaten by plankton, and then eaten by shrimp, eaten by fish, and eaten by the predator, which is bird. And mangrove usually stay in wetlands, which saltwater marshes and swamps. Besides the water, like riverside, riverbank, and beside seaside. And the design principle of this tree is that unity, as we can see from the trunk and the roots, the cut section of them, and rhythm, which is from the whole structure of the tree. And the ordering principles is hierarchy. We can see that there's two hierarchies, with either the roots or the leaf, the branches that come out. But mostly people will see the roots first. And the organization is cluster, which are the leaf, and centralization, that the roots came from the same point, and we can see in the cut section of the trunk and the roots. And thank you. This is my presentation.